Hello, Kelly. What are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, I think she's starting to us. What'd she say? I found you.
I've got to go back.
What?
I've got to go back.
Oh yeah, I forgot what I did. It was before we watched the movie. Yeah. No, after we watched the movie and I didn't pee, I'd probably piss my pants.
Oh, I know. I did it at Rebecca's when we were doing our
I know you told me.
I did?
Yeah.
Hey, you just like to get me stuff.
I can't see you. Stop. And here's Kelly's musty thing, and there's something that she spit out.
Hi. I have no hair.
I have leukemia. And just felt this way before.